So hello everyone, I am Bhupendra Chauhan and in this particular tutorial I'll be showing you how you can submit your Aptos project in the Aptos Collision Hackathon. So for that you first need to come to your browser like this and just type Dora Hex, okay? Or you can type Aptos Collision Dora Hex, click enter, visit the first link and you first need to register, okay? Or create an account in Dora Hex if you don't have one, and if you already have an account, just need to log in, click the login button, and I will be continuing with my Google account. And like this, I have successfully logged in and now I can register as a hacker in this particular hackathon. So you will be gonna ask some questions related to, for example, like your organization, company, school. So I work at Ryzen, so I put it that here, and some brief introduction about you, some skills. Okay, so you can enter any skills here. Let's say blockchain, one of the skills. Okay, you generally get suggestions as you type, so you can select from those information as well. Now some interest fields. Let's say you can type from DeFi, DEX, or anything else. Now, after entering this, just click the continue button and it will ask you to submit a build. So click here and choose this create new build option. Click continue and you will be seeing this particular form. So this form need information related to your project. So make sure you have your Aptos project pushed in your GitHub account. So like this is by the way, a dummy project I have built for you. So it contains all the important information, for example, title, description, vision, key features, okay, and most importantly, the deployed smart contract address and the screenshot. Now, we first need to copy this particular name, project name, and I can write it here, okay, in the build name. Now, it asks us to upload a build logo. So I have already one downloaded in my desktop. So I am selecting that. See, like this, you can upload an logo. And in the vision part, you can enter this particular vision written inside the readme file, okay, since it need to be short, okay, so I have only selected a part of it. Now choose the category, which is obviously crypto web3. Now if you have made a project in a particular field, let's say DeFi or NFT, so you can select those options like this from here, okay. Now, since this is an education related project, so I can do something like edify, okay, and click enter. Now, since we have worked with Aptos and it's a L1 change, so select Aptos and you can keep these fields empty since they are optional. And right here, put your GitHub repository link, okay, of the particular Aptos project. Like I am copying this link and I put it here like this. And by the way, like if you have deployed your website, let's say you have made a full stack application and you have deployed it on Vercel or Netlify, so you can put that link as well. And let's say you have made a video demonstration, you can upload that video on the YouTube or your Google Drive and get the link, video link, and put it here as well. It will work totally fine. Now it will ask you some social links, so you can enter anything, your Twitter handle or anything else. So let me quickly enter my Twitter handle here like this. So let me copy link address, click the continue button, and it will ask you to write details about your project. So I can just enter my description, okay, the project description. So I just copied it like this and put it here. Click the continue button, and now if you have worked with the teammates or in a group, so you can just type the name of those particular friends or teammates. Since uh, this is a single project, okay, it only made by me, so I just typed not applicable and just click continue, and it will ask you to type your Telegram username. So I think it's okay, I actually forgot my Telegram username, so let me check. Okay, so yeah, it's correct. So you can type your Telegram name and then any one of information it will ask. So let's say I'm giving my Discord, then click the continue button. Now you need to select a track, okay. So let's say have selected social, okay, and you can select anything related to your project, and then it will ask you some more question, and these are additional information like site, secondary tag, okay, and like where did you hear about the hackathon. So let's say I heard this like hackathon from the Rising, okay. Now some important information, okay, so again it's asking for the GitHub repo link. So again I will be copying this link, okay, and I have pasted my project link here. Now obviously, it's asking us from which country you are. So I typed India. Now some questions. Did you participated in any of the following code collision event earlier? So not. So I can just type not applicable, click this particular checkbox, and now submit for review. And you have successfully submitted your project in the Aptos Collision Hackathon. And after this particular submission, you will also gonna get an email confirmation as well. So let me just take you to the see this first link I visited, and see you will gonna get something like this. Okay, congratulations, and successfully you have submitted your Aptos project. So thank you.